Hi guys, my name is Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Botanika Beauty's hairstyling products. I'm actually a little nervous to do this wash and go because I'm someone that I need to put gel on my hair. I don't know, like ever since I started putting gel on my hair, and my wash and goes last for like 7 days. With me, I have 3 products, which I have the Hydrator, which is a curl cream. I also have the Enhancer Mousse. I've never styled my hair with a mousse, so this is going to be interesting. And I also have the Definer Light Curl Cream, which I most likely will not use today. So for this wash and go, I'll only be using the mousse and the curl cream. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe. I upload every week, or I at least try to. Leave any video suggestions down in the comments below and thumbs up this video for more product reviews. And without further ado, let's get right to the video. I'm starting out with freshly washed hair, and as always, I like to start in sections. So I'm going to start at the nape. I always like to style with soaking wet hair.
First, I applied a quarter size amount of the Hydrator curl cream onto my hair. It's meant to define, hydrate, and control frizz. This product retails for $11.99, and it's also meant for medium to thick hair. On top, I used 2 pumps of the Enhancer Mousse. This mousse retails for $10.99 and it's good for all hair types. And I raked both products through on soaking wet hair. I get a lot of questions on how I style the front of my hair, and I honestly style each section towards the back. This way, I'm training my hair to not split or separate in the middle.
How my curls look like before I diffuse, and let me know if you guys want a diffusing tutorial, and I will film that for you guys, so let me know down in the comments below. So now I'm going to diffuse, and I'll be right back to talk about my final thoughts on the product. Can we take a moment of silence for this volume? Like, you guys, my hair looks so big and voluminous. I am not mad at it. Oh my gosh, you guys. Overall, if I wanted a wash and go that was just super voluminous and fluffy, I would definitely grab these products. And I'm definitely gonna try these products again and add a gel on top because I really like the cream. My hair feels super soft. If you guys want me to make any other review, please leave it down in the comments. And this is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to join the family. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social medias. My @name is @AshleyDaniela. I'm pretty active on TikTok, so definitely follow me on TikTok. Leave any video suggestions down in the comments below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching.